nagbabalik po dito sa The Bottom Line. Kasama po natin ang ating kaibigang Gilbert Remulla. Marami ang nagtatanong nito. Si Gilbert ba ay tatakbo muli sa 2013?
Hindi ko pa alam. Pinag-iisipan ko yan. Kakatapos lang kasi ng eleksyon and it's time to really think about what I should do.
Ano yung principal considerations mo?
Well, I just turned 40. And at this stage, between 40 to 50, lumalaki ang mga anak ko. Iniisip ko rin yung economic development ng pamilya ko on my own. When you get into politics, there's no chance for you to save. If you want to be a decent politician.
Mahirap tumakbo, magastos. More or less when you run for the Senate, how much do you spend? I mean, I'm not after, exact figures, but more or less, Gilbert.
9 figures.
Wow.
Kailangan 9. Kung gusto mong disente, ang pagtakbo mo, 9 figures. Hindi disente yung takbo ko nung huli.
Okay. Now, but you spend your own money or do you depend on your party?
Maraming mga
sources?
tumutulong.
Okay.
Yung partido tumulong rin.
Okay.
And
But that's a lot of money.
It is.
That's a lot of money.
It is.
Hindi natin binibilang dito yung effort, no? Tapos sabi mo, if you want to be a decent politician, ano ba ang decente? Meron ba tayong mga decenteng politiko? What does
Hindi
it mean?
nagpapayaman. Hindi nagpapayaman sa pwesto. Hindi garapalan yung kanilang paggamit ng pera ng taong bayan.
Okay. Na nangangahulugan na pwede kang magnakaw ng konti, huwag ka lang garapal? Or is it endemic in the system?
It's endemic in the system.
Diba? May mga nagsasabi na walang, is it right to say na wala raw politiko na hindi pwedeng walang cut sa mga infrastructure projects?
Marami naman politiko na hindi
sumasakay sa ganun.
hindi sumasakay. Kaya iniisip ko rin kailangan kong magpayaman sa sarili ko bago ako pumasok sa politika.
I understand that. Kasi naman, ang nangyayari din daw sa base sa mga kwento ay kung hindi ka naman daw makikisama doon sa sistema, doon sa cycle, ina-out ka naman, hindi ka binibigyan ng mga proyekto. Ano nangyari sa iyo yun?
Nung lumabang kami kay Gloria nung impeachment, nung nagkaroon ng Hello Garcia, when I chaired the investigation, and then I went opposition, talagang wala kaming project. Wala kaming ganansya, wala kaming kahit na ano.
Apektado rin ang tao.
Oo, syempre. Wala akong maidalang project. Wala akong maipagawa na kalye o classroom.
Based on your performance in the last elections, technically, truthfully, it wasn't so bad. 7.5 million votes.
It was close. It was close. 15?
Yeah, I mean, Pero bakit ka natalo, Gilbert?
Kung titignan mo yung mga nanalo, incumbent senator, returning senator, or anak ng senator. All 12 who won.
Okay.
Lahat yan, nandun na eh. Siguro yung pangalan nila talagang kilalang-kilala na.
Yung recall,
yung
malakas.
Recall nandun eh. Pero katulad ni yung mga iba that didn't make it who are also very popular names. Well, what can you do? But, may panahon pa naman, bata pa naman tayo.
Correct. One of the most controversial moments in your political life as a candidate for the senatorial slate in the last elections was when you visited the Ampatuans.
Yes. That was
Did it cost you anything in that election?
Our focus groups and our surveys say it did not.
It did not. Okay.
It was a difficult period in the campaign.
Pwede namin malaman ngayon, I mean in retrospect, bakit ka dumalaw sa mga Ampatuans?
It was a safety and security issue, as I've always been saying. There was a time wherein na kailangan dahil very vocal ako against that, no? That may mga mensahe na ipinarating sa akin na kailangan kong klaruhin.
Okay.
So,
ayun ang ginawa mo. Dumalaw ka para maklaro ang mga issues.
Yes.
But it was not at diretso ito, hindi ka dumalaw sa mga Ampatuans because you were soliciting for their support.
No. Definitely not.
Having 2 spokespersons, and this has nothing to do with you and Adele. I respect that, Gilbert. Did it work, having 2 spokespersons for the party?
It could have.
It could have
for a while.
But if you had your way as a political science student, would you encourage 2 people to speak for the party?
I think it was more of a structural deficiency in the way we work. It's okay to have 2 spokespersons as long as you have somebody who's going to orchestrate whatever's going to be said.
Ito ang iyo, ito ang akin,
Yes.
Lunes ikaw, etc.
Yes, and I think that was the difficulty of the situation back then. That
Okay.
that we lacked the conductor at the time.
Looking back again, Gilbert, do you understand now why Manny placed third in the presidential elections?
Because he refused to talk ill. Because he refused to talk and defend himself as much as he could. Because it's all a media game. And kapag hindi ka kinampihan ng media at hindi ka rin nagsalita at hindi ka lumaban, you'll be drowned out eh.
But he had the clearest message.
He did, but
He had the biggest resources as perceived by the public.
let's put it this way. I think the opponents won at the time, and it was a good fight. But nanalo sila hindi dahil mas magaling sila. Mas magaling lang sila manira.
Ano ang idadagdag mo? Halimbawa lang, no? Hypothetical. If you were to run in 2013, kasi, kumbaga, Gilbert, kung number 39 ka, iba yun eh.
Yes,
Diba?
yes,
Iba yung
yes,
kwento
yes,
yun. But
yes.
you are 3-4 steps away to the Senate. Ano ang idadagdag mo doon sa mga ginawa mo?
Siguro, advertising.
Advertising.
Kulang eh.
But you did a lot of money to do that,
Oh
no?
yeah, yun ang problema.
A lot of
Pangalawa, nag-decide kasi ako ng tumakbo December 31.
Late ka.
I was the second to the last who filed. I filed at 10:45 in the evening of the last day of filing.
Bakit, Gilbert? Nag-alanganin ka?
Nung gumising ako nung umagang yon, I saw na yung mga ibang incumbent senators who were not seeking re-election and parang lumuwag.
Okay.
So, nag-usap kami ng misis ko. Georgia said, well, if you don't do it, you just might hate yourself and kick yourself in the butt for not trying. So, do you want me to do it? Sabi niya, yes. So, I filed. And the rest is a lot of experience, pain, heartache, happiness, joy.
That's true. Puso sa puso. Bilang isang asawa, are you loyal?
Yes.
The answer is yes.
Kagad eh, no? Natakot
You
eh.
have to explain. Talagang without missing a beat. No? Yes. Ang paliwanag sa pagbabalik po ng The Bottom Line. Halimbawa lamang bigyan ng pagkakataon, manilbihan sa administrasyon ni President Bongo. Would you accept? The name Remulla in Cavite has been attached to land grabbing, political killings, and political dynasty. Pag talaga kay Marojas bilang chief troubleshooter ni President Noy,
I don't know what that means.
naniniwala ka ba sa administrasyon ni President Noy Aquino? Oo o hindi?
I wish them luck.